Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ringke cover display easy slide tempered glass install for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And after I have installed the easy slide tempered glass screen protector, we will put on the Fusion magnetic clear case from Ringke, which I've already reviewed, to make sure we don't have any issues with the screen protector coming up whatsoever along the sides, top, bottom, and corners. So let's go ahead and look at the presentation, which is a really nice one, as always. 2-pack, so if you mess one up, you have another one to work with. On the other side, you have the instructions on how to install the Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector for the cover display on your Z Fold 7. So please read everything. And I mean everything. Do not skip a beat. Now you're going to do somewhat what I do, but these are the official instructions. I have kind of my own little way of doing things, but again, refer back to this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the packaging here. Huge shout out to Ringke. You know what? I'm just going to do that so I can look amazing on video. Yeah, right. Okay, so Ringke, man, always doing the channel right. Really, really appreciate it. So we'll go ahead and put that to the side. You have 2 cleaning kits for the display of your Z Fold 7. Going to use one. Put that one back in there. We have the cover display screen protector already within the kit here. Up top, you can see some information here. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at that. So it says top, Ringke cover display easy slide tempered glass. Firmly hold the sides of the tray and pull out handle until it is fully removed. Or you can scan the QR code and watch the installation guide. This right here is the pull handle, which is a little plastic tab there. But once you're done with the already to go cover display tempered glass screen protector within the kit, you can then apply the other one to have it ready to go if you ever need to use it. So we don't want to use that one. The back shows you how to put the other cover display screen protector within the kit. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to turn off the display because it makes it so much easier. You don't want any accidental touches. Let's go back out. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit and then we'll look and see how everything looks once I'm finished with the install. Got your dust removal stickers, your squeegee, microcloth, and your alcohol prep wipe. First, I got to remove the Banks tempered glass screen protector. Hopefully you checked out that video. Case review and glass screen protector review. And now we'll begin. Okay, so I'm going to turn my Z Fold 7 the other direction. Got my front facing camera right there. Make sure there's no more dust flying down. Every time I stop, I see a piece of dust land on the display. And we want to make sure that the kit, where it says top, is where that front facing camera is located. Okay, so I want to place over the top like that. Bam. Gonna press along the sides. And we're gonna pull just like that. Woo! You can see it adhering, sticking to the display. You want to rub so you can help out the process. If there's any bubbles, do not fear. Your squeegee is here.
Groovy, baby.
All right, so then we want to slowly pull up the kit and remove the protective film over the screen protector. Now there is going to be a little bit of space, top, bottom, and along the sides. That way there's just enough space for whatever case you're using will fit nicely on the edges and you don't have any lifting, because that is not what you want. Okay, so we're going to get all that stuff and put it over there. That looks nice. That looks nice. I gotta turn my Z Fold 7 back on. Okay, so this is a case that I've already reviewed. Huge shout out to Ringke, the Fusion Magnetic Clear case. And going to put my Z Fold 7 within the case, the frame of the case. There's some adhesive along this part of the case, so I need to make sure that sticks. Okay. We don't want any lifting. You can see just enough space there. Let me zoom in on that. That is nice. A little bubble right there. Again, don't get all worked up over those little bubbles. They'll work themselves out. What's important is that you don't get any lifting. Yeah, that is nice. Really, really nice. And now it is time for the touch response test. Make sure you don't have any issues. Very nice, very nice. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, no issues whatsoever. That works great. Huge shout out Ringke. All the information to purchase the cover display tempered glass screen protector for the Z Fold 7 will be down below in the description area. Great case, great protection, great screen protector, touch response, solid, thumbs up, no lifting. Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.